Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Vincent. Today I'm going to show you the new apartment that I moved into because a lot of you guys requested it on Instagram. I mean, I got like 60 requests, so it's definitely something a lot of you are probably interested in. I love watching these kind of videos, so hope you're gonna enjoy. Now, I just want to say, like, upfront, please don't take it as like bragging or anything like that, or like showing off, because that's not really my point with this video. I genuinely just want to show it to you because a lot of you are interested in it. Now I'm just renting it, so I don't own this place, right? But I really hope you're gonna enjoy it anyways. So starting the tour from where you come into the apartment, this is basically like the entrance, right? And then from here, this is what you see. This is like the main hallway, and then to the left there is this kitchen and living room area. So this is my favorite part of this apartment actually. Basically, as you come into it, you get like a ton of natural light, which is amazing. And also now you get a lot of echo because I don't have, like, you know, a sofa in yet and the carpet and stuff like that, so it's really echoey. But yeah, so you get these huge windows, you get this like kitchen area, which is really nice, and you also, you know, get this other part of it. Now I especially like the, you know, the little lights on the ceiling. I think they look pretty cool. But yeah, so you know, there's not that much else to say about this part. I have my desk set up here. This is where I work from, and this is where I'm gonna be recording a lot of the videos. And then I also have this small little you know, kitchen table that I can eat on. Now, also another really cool part about this apartment is the basically the balcony. So it has a pretty big balcony. I mean, I think it's kind of like unnecessarily big, but hey ho, I think it's still kind of sick. So if you come out, you know, this is the balcony that comes with the apartment. It's like basically, I don't know, like 20 feet, 30 feet long, pretty long. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I want to get some like a table and a couple chairs and put it down here, and be able to, you know, enjoy the weather and eat out here on the balcony. So that's, yeah, that's basically this main living room part. Again, not that much, you know, to say about it. I like it a lot. And then on this hallway, right here again, there is this huge mirror, and it has like a lot of storage space behind it, so that's cool. I can put all my shit in there, and yeah, it's a good way to store stuff. I don't know, I'm really bad. I would be a really bad real estate agent. But anyways, and then this is the first room that opens from the hallway. This is my bedroom. Not that much to say about it again, just a normal bed, some lights, and that's about it. It also has, the apartment also has another balcony which looks at like the apartment complex's garden. So you can also go to that other balcony from this bedroom, so that's dope. And then it has another room, which I don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet, to be honest, but it's pretty much the same as the other one that I showed you, just a simple room that opens to the other balcony again. And I think I'm gonna make that my biohacking room, so I'm gonna put my red light therapy device there. I'm gonna maybe buy like an ice bath, I don't know, but we'll do something cool with that, or make it into a studio, I will see. And then yeah, on the end of the hallway I have this little you know, toilet, nothing extra, just a toilet. And then on this side of it there is the bathroom. So it has one bath and it has like one shower as well, so that's really nice. I've never had a bath before, so it's been amazing to use that. Yeah, I don't know, I mean, that's all there is to it, right? I think it looks pretty sick. Has like a big mirror again, and as you can see, a lot, the apartment has a lot of this, like, I don't know, this like stone material that's black. I think it looks okay. I'm not the biggest fan of it, to be honest. I would like it a lot more if it was like marble, but it kind of looks like it's dirty in my opinion. But you know, it looks pretty good on video at least, so that's good. And then the last part of the apartment is this space, and this is basically just like a walk-in closet, I guess. It's just like a storage place, so it's a pretty big apartment for just me, I think. I don't really know if I'm gonna use a lot of this space, but you know, I really wanted to make an upgrade from my other apartment, and overall I'm really happy with my choice so far. I've been enjoying my time here, and I hope I can make some amazing content for you guys, because that's my #1 priority. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour. Comment down below what video you want to see next on the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.